Hello friends, today we are going to talk about Ohm's law. Before that, let us talk about electricity. So what is electricity? As we all know that electricity is very important thing in our day-to-day life. All electronic gadgets which we use nowadays are nothing but an applications of the electricity. Electricity is basically a flow of electric current. So in next slide, we are going to talk about electric current. What is electric current? Electric current is a flow of electric charge. This flow of charges is nothing but a flow of electrons. So we can say that when electrons flow through any electric conductor, it gives rise to flow of electric current. Current is measured as a rate of flow of electric charge per unit time. It gives relation I is equal to delta Q upon delta T. So here Q stands for charge and T stands for time. So for a given time, how many number of charges are flowing through conductor gives a value of current. So current is always denoted by letter I. SI unit of the current is ampere. In electric circuit, as far as the direction of current is considered, it is always opposite to the flow of electron. In next slide, we are going to talk about voltage. Voltage is nothing but a work done per unit charge to take a charge from one point to another. It is also known as energy required for the flow of charge. It is an amount of potential energy between 2 points of the conductor. Voltage is always denoted by letter V and SI unit of the voltage is volts. Here we have talked about two basic elements of the electricity, that is electric current and voltage. So these two elements or a relation between these two elements is given by Ohm's law. In next slide, we are going to talk about Ohm's law. While performing experiment, German physicist Mr. George Ohm came to know that there is a direct relationship between applied voltage and a current flowing through the conductor. So this relationship is known as Ohm's law. This Ohm's law states that a current flowing through the conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference applied between two ends of the conductor, provided temperature is constant. So we can say that voltage is always proportional to current. If we plot a voltage on x-axis and a current on y-axis according to Ohm's law, as we increase the voltage applied between two ends of the conductor, current flowing through the conductor also increases. So the characteristics of the Ohm's law shows a linear relationship between voltage and current. Ohm's law also gives one more relation, that is V is equal to IR. Here V stands for voltage, I stands for current, and R is nothing but a constant, and name of that constant is resistance. Resistance is a new property of a conductor introduced by Ohm. In next slide, we are going to talk about this new property of a conductor. So resistance, it is a property of a conductor to resist the flow of current. To resist means to obstruct the flow of current. Resistance is always denoted by letter R and SI unit of the resistance is Ohm. Here a symbol of resistor is shown. In electric circuit, what gives rise to a resistance? So we can say that when charges move in any conductor, they strike at atoms present in between, and this creates a barrier for the flow of electron. This barrier or this resistance to the flow of electron or gives rise to this new property, that is resistance. So from Ohm's law we can say that if a resistance of the conductor increases, current decreases, and when resistance of the conductor decreases, current increases. We can also conclude that resistance is inversely proportional to the current flowing through the conductor. Here a chart is given which shows symbol, unit of measurement and abbreviation of these three important properties or three important elements from electronics. So for current, symbol is I, or we can say it is denoted by letter I. Its unit is ampere and its abbreviation is A. For voltage, symbol of the voltage is E or V. Usually we use V as a voltage. Unit of the voltage is volts and its abbreviation is V. Resistance, for resistance we use R letter and its unit of measurement is ohm. Thank you.